Hormones are like messengers in our bodies. They control many important functions, including our mood, energy levels, and reproductive health. When our hormones are balanced, we feel our best. We have more energy, sleep better, and experience fewer mood swings. For women, balanced hormones are especially important. They regulate our menstrual cycles and fertility. Balanced hormones also contribute to strong bones, healthy skin, and a healthy weight. When our hormones are out of balance, we can experience a range of symptoms. These symptoms can impact our daily lives. It's essential for women of all ages to understand how to naturally support their hormonal health. By making simple changes to our diet and lifestyle, we can encourage our bodies to produce hormones in a balanced way. This naturally enhances our overall well-being. What we eat plays a crucial role in our hormonal health. A diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods can make a big difference. Focus on consuming plenty of fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. These foods provide our bodies with the essential nutrients they need to function optimally. Healthy fats are also crucial for hormone production. Incorporate foods like avocados, nuts, and seeds into your diet. These foods contain beneficial fats that support hormone balance. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These can disrupt hormone production and lead to imbalances. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli and cauliflower, are particularly beneficial. They contain compounds that help to regulate estrogen levels in the body. Additionally, ensure you're getting enough fiber in your diet. Fiber helps to regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for hormone balance. Alongside a healthy diet, lifestyle changes can significantly impact hormone balance. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on our hormones. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. These activities help reduce stress hormones and promote relaxation. Sleep is also crucial for hormone regulation. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. During sleep, our bodies repair and regenerate, balancing hormone levels. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool for optimal sleep. Regular exercise is another essential aspect of hormone health. Engage in moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could include brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Exercise helps to improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for balancing blood sugar and hormones. Section 4. Move your body, balance your hormones. Specific exercises can be particularly helpful in boosting female hormones. Yoga poses, such as the cobra pose and the fish pose, are known to stimulate the endocrine glands, which produce hormones. These poses can help to regulate menstrual cycles and reduce symptoms of menopause. Strength training exercises are also beneficial. They help to increase muscle mass, which in turn can boost metabolism and hormone production. Incorporate exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups into your routine 2 to 3 times a week. Remember to listen to your body and avoid over-exercising. Excessive exercise can actually have a negative impact on hormone balance. Find activities you enjoy and that fit into your lifestyle. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the hormonal benefits of exercise. Section 5. Recognizing hormonal imbalances. Understanding the signs of hormonal imbalances is crucial for early intervention. Common signs include irregular periods, heavy or painful periods, and severe premenstrual syndrome, or PMS. Other signs can include difficulty sleeping, persistent fatigue, unexplained weight gain, and mood swings. If you experience any of these symptoms, consult with your healthcare provider. They can assess your hormone levels and recommend appropriate treatment options. Remember that hormonal imbalances are common and treatable. Early detection and intervention can make a significant difference in managing symptoms and improving your overall health. Maintaining open communication with your doctor about any changes in your body is crucial. This helps them monitor your hormonal health effectively and provide timely guidance. Section 6. Sustaining your hormonal equilibrium. Balancing your hormones is a journey, not a destination. Embrace a holistic approach that incorporates healthy eating, regular exercise, stress management, and quality sleep. Listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Remember that small changes can make a big difference over time. Consistency is key when it comes to maintaining hormonal balance. Make gradual changes to your diet and lifestyle, and be patient with the process. Celebrate your progress and enjoy the benefits of a healthier, more balanced you. By prioritizing your hormonal health, you're investing in your overall well-being for years to come.